ever had a rumbling underneath your car? It wasn't because you ran your old lady over? Well, I got a super trick for you. Hear that rumbling noise? Well, I'm going to drive down the road 15 miles an hour, move the steering wheel left to right, and that noise is going to change. That means my wheel is going in and out as I move side to side. If that happens when you let off the gas or give it gas, that means your rear carrier bearing is bad or your pinion is bad in your rear end. Rule of thumb, when you're checking for a bad wheel bearing, you can put your hand at the 9 o'clock position and the 3 o'clock position and move it back and forth, or the 12 o'clock position and the 6 o'clock position and move it back and forth. But what about if that doesn't work? When you have a bad wheel bearing, energy will transfer out the body, and that's why you're getting the noise, rumbling motion, and feeling inside the cabin of the automobile.
Oh shit, I thought that was my old lady doing that.
You can take your hand, place it up on the shock, turn the wheel, feel that bad wheel bearing. It'll be a tingle in your fingers, but not like one you're used to. With the Clayway, I'll make you look good and famous in your stinking neighborhood.